8 tips to get the best car loan. Aside from choosing the right type of car loan, there are also other ways to get the best loan for your car purchase. Make sure to own a good or excellent credit score before applying for a car loan. It will allow you to negotiate for a better rate with lenders. Don't just settle with the bank or credit union nearest you. Shop around with as many lenders as you can to find the best car loan deal you can have. Many lenders give better car loan deals if you have a cosigner. Just like the collateral of a secured loan, the cosigner will also serve as security to the lender. That's because, in the instance that you're unable to make repayments, the cosigner will be billed in turn. This lessens the risk for the banks and credit unions, allowing them to offer the best loan deals to borrowers. Save up for a bigger deposit so you'll need to borrow less and get a better rate. Find a lender who offers a pre-approved car loan. It will enable you to know exactly how much you can borrow, which will help you shop around confidently with dealers. Avoid add-ons. Paint sealant, fabric protection, tinted windows. We've just named 3 things that will provide you with the next to no tangible benefit but will put hundreds of dollars in the hands of your car dealership. Do away with them and reduce the size of your loan by a notable amount. Be prepared to haggle hard. It may not be evident, but the reality of car finance is that absolutely everything is negotiable. This includes the cost of the car and admin fees that may seem fixed. The dealership makes no money if you walk away, and you'll be surprised how far they're willing to bend to stop that from happening. Be smart with your timing. There are times of the year when cars are cheaper, and not taking advantage of this fact is a fool's error. The end of the financial year is an obvious one, but you can also save major dollars around Christmas and the start of the new year. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope now you have all the information you need to buy your next dream automobile. If you did not understand anything particular in this video, please leave a comment below and we will try to make a short video about it. Stay connected and we'll see you in the next video.